Did you know that in Irish there's a special word for the loneliness that you'd feel when you part with something? For example, if you're leaving to go away somewhere, leaving home, like homesickness, or something is gone, it's no longer there, the kind of nostalgia feeling. It'd be different to the loneliness as in English, that you'd be lonely in the woods at night, or solitude, being alone. This is different, it's kind of thinking back, lingering, or if you miss something. It would be cúi. Cúi is the word we say in Donegal here. So ta cúi orminish, gus mé gemacht. Cúi is on me now, the part and sorrow, kind of the loneliness of leaving. So it's nice that there's that distinction in the Irish language. Ta cúi orminish, gus ig smuichu shir. She has the cúi now, thinking back of old times. So cúi, nice word.